what is layout property, that is overflow unfold. In the previous video, we have discussed about the layout properties for box and grid, and in today's video, we are going to see what is overflow and fold property in layout. First of all, what is overflow? Overflow means if the content is comes out of the container. That means if you imagine what should happen if content is too big to fit in its box. That means if we paste the box in the web page, then we paste the content in the box. If the content is so large, if the content comes out of the box, then how to manage the situation means by using overflow property. What are the different types in the overflow property means? There are 4 values of overflow property, that is visible, hidden, global, and auto. If we paste visible, if the content is it's out of the container, it will show the additional content auto. If we paste hidden, if the content comes out of the container, it skips the container. That means it hides the content that comes out of the container. What it called means it added the call buttons to the container. The content will be moved down like this. If we paste the auto, it will also add call bars. Now let us see example program for overflow. This is the example program for overflow, and here I am taken cache box is equal to 300 pixels, height 150 pixels, border 2 pixels, solid, and color, black color, and paste the content. It is a long paragraph of text that will overflow the picture set. Now let us see the output. Here the content will be fixed in the container. What happens if the container size is too small? Then we simple. Here I am decreasing the size of the container, and that is I decrease the width of the container to 200 pixels. And now let us see the output. Here the output will be look like this. The extra content that will come out of the container. If you want to paste the overflow column visible property, you can paste. Otherwise, it will show default. It is default property. The visible property in overflow is default property. If I paste overflow hidden property, then again I run and debug the program. Now here the extra content will be cut off. That means the content which will be held by the container is in the container, and the extra content will be cut off. This is the use of overflow hidden property. Now let us see what is overflow call bars. Here I am pasting call bar code, and I am running the program. Here you can see if we code down, the additional content will be displayed. This is the use of overflow property. Now let us see What is fourth property? This is the fourth property. Fourth means put the element to the left or right and let other content wrap around it. That means it simply pushes the element to the left of the web page or right of the web page. Now let us see example program. Here this is the example program for fourth. Here I am pasting fourth property in the image tag. That means the content will be displayed. I am pasting the fourth property. The content will be displayed to the right side of the image. Now let us see the output. Here you can see the content will be displayed to the right side of the image. If I paste right here, the image will be moved to the right side of the web page and the content will be displayed in the left side of the web page. Now let us see the output. Here you can see the image will be moved to the right side and the content will be moved to the left side. This is the use of fourth property. Hope you understand my explanation. If you understand my explanation, then give a like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.